Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the power cord on your dryer, make sure the old cord is unplugged. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the power cord access panel. Detach the power cord strain relief from the frame and disconnect the 2 wires from the cord. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the grounding wire to fully remove the old cord. Install the new power cord by first securing the grounding wire to the frame. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals on the new cord. With the grounding wire facing up, secure the strain relief on the frame. Replace the access panel and secure it with the screw. Plug the new power cord in, and your dryer should be ready for use.